Hello YouTube viewers, and it's time to tell you about this bed, this beautiful bed that I made, handmade, and it looks so cozy. So it's time to tell you about it. First, I'm going to remove this part, and as you can see, the base is a box, a jewelry box, okay, where you would get a gift in that box. And I'm not gonna flip it over yet because I want to tell you what these are. These are the end of the curtain rods. I got them at a yard sale for 25 cents each. They're very heavy. They have a screw at the end, and I'm going to show you when I flip the box. So that's what okay, I'm gonna flip the box here and show you inside. So that's how I ended up putting them. See, on each corner I have one of those. So I have to figure out what to put inside the box to hold the screws in place because they're a little wobbly. As you can see, when I put the bed like that, see, this is wobbly, but I'm gonna fix that. So, and I'm gonna put this back. This is actually a scarf that I folded up, and in there's a cardboard as the mattress, but that's not visible, so I didn't need to use anything special as the mattress. And then I just took one of those sponges, those scrubby sponges that you use to scrub things, and I cut a piece, and I made that part of the cushion. So that was really it. But I love those pieces of the curtain rods. I love those. Look at those. It looks like a very elegant bed. So that's what my handmade bed for today. And with this bed, I'm going to create a certain type of room, which I will not talk about yet because I want it to be a surprise. But that's it. It's amazing what you can do with these odd pieces. You know, you cut a piece of sponge, you make it a cushion, you know, you get screws and curtain rods, you know, curtain rod ends, and you can make a lot of stuff. Well, I hope that you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.